Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Triumph TR6, a modern reimagining of the classic British roadster that defined an era. If you love classic cars with a modern twist, stick around because this one is something special. Let's start with the design. The 2025 TR6 keeps the essence of the original with its long hood, short rear deck, and unmistakable silhouette. Triumph has blended retro styling with contemporary aerodynamics, making it a true head-turner on the road. Chrome accents, round LED headlights, and a sleek grille give it a vintage meets modern appeal. The car sits low, hugging the road with a perfectly balanced stance. Under the hood, the new TR6 is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing around 280 horsepower. It's paired with either a 6-speed manual for purists or an 8-speed automatic for those who want seamless shifts. Weighing in at just under 2,900 pounds, the power-to-weight ratio makes for an exhilarating drive. The 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint happens in just under 5 seconds, bringing a rush of excitement every time you hit the gas. The handling is where Triumph has really made improvements. The chassis is tuned for sharp cornering while maintaining comfort for longer drives. Adaptive suspension adjusts to road conditions, giving you the best of both worlds: sporty when you want it, smooth when you need it. The TR6 also comes with a limited slip differential, ensuring maximum traction in spirited driving. Inside, the cabin is a perfect blend of classic and modern elements. Leather bucket seats with contrast stitching provide both comfort and support. The dashboard features a mix of analog dials and a digital driver's display, keeping the nostalgic feel alive while offering modern convenience. A 10-inch infotainment screen supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected while enjoying the drive. And yes, Triumph has kept the classic wood grain trim, a nod to the TR6's heritage. On the road, the TR6 delivers a raw and engaging driving experience. The steering is precise, the throttle response is immediate, and the exhaust note has a deep, satisfying growl. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising on the highway with the top down, this car keeps a smile on your face. Safety and technology have also seen an upgrade. The 2025 TR6 includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera. Triumph has ensured that while this roadster maintains its vintage soul, it doesn't compromise on modern safety features. So, is the 2025 Triumph TR6 the perfect modern roadster if you're a fan of classic British sports cars but want modern performance and reliability? It's hard to ignore. With its stunning design, thrilling performance, and upgraded tech, this might just be the ultimate tribute to the past while embracing the future. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Triumph TR6. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive content. Let us know in the comments, would you take this over a Mazda MX-5 or a Porsche 718? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.